Yo, what's going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach, and today I want to show you exactly how you can earn up to $250 every single month of free Bitcoin over and over again passively while you sleep with this one simple method. It's extremely important that you stick with me through this entire video because I'm going to be sharing with you step by step exactly what you need to do so that you can achieve these results. It's very simple, but it's very important that you pay close attention to everything that I'm saying. Don't skip ahead. You have to watch the entire video. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. All right, you guys, let's get started earning some free Bitcoin over and over again, up to $250 or more every single month with this one simple strategy. Now, like I said, pay close attention and make sure that you stick with me through this entire video. Now, I'm about to show you a website. Do not click off this video when I show it to you if you've already seen this before, because the strategy that I'm going to show you and apply to this method is what's going to change the game ultimately for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over here to CryptoTab Browser, you guys. This is the website we're on. You can see right here, CryptoTab Browser. If you are brand new to this or unfamiliar with what this is, all this is a web browser that runs just like Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox. It's lightweight. It's very fast. It looks and feels exactly the same. You can have plugins, extensions. The only difference is when you're running CryptoTab web browser, what's going to happen is every single time you have your browser window open and you're surfing the internet just as you normally would, even if you're not surfing the web, all you have to do is have your browser window open and it's using a percentage of your computer's resources and mining Bitcoin for you in the background. Now, the problem with this is you're only going to earn so much Bitcoin just yourself. So what I'm going to show you in this video is how to leverage other people's efforts and significantly increase the amount of money that you can earn right here on CryptoTab browser right here. It's very, very simple to do, but you have to follow these instructions to a T. Now, the first thing I want to do is show you just how much money you can make with CryptoTab Browser, you guys. This is very simple to do, and again, it's 100% free. Now, I've left a link down in the description of this video, so you can very simply click on that link. It will bring you directly over to this webpage that we're looking at right now. Now, when you arrive here, I'm going to navigate down the page here. We're going to go to the earnings calculator right here. So we're going to click on More About Earnings. And we're going to leave these numbers right here in the 5, so it's nice and modest and it's more achievable for everybody to do, right? Now, all we're saying here is that you're going to invite 5 people, and those 5 people are going to invite 5 people as well. And we're going to play this out because this can go all the way up to 10 layers deep. Now, don't worry, if you've done any type of MLM marketing or any type of other affiliate marketing, it's very difficult to get your affiliate link or your product out in front of a bunch of eyeballs so that people can actually buy it. What's great about this, you guys, this is all 100% free. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this all 100% free so you can get this information, your affiliate link, in front of thousands of eyeballs so that they can click on your link and you can get all the way down here to level 10. But we're going to try to just hit level 5 right here. Let's watch this play out. I'm going to hit calculate my income, and what you're going to see right here is that if we were able to hit this 5th round right here, that would be inviting 3,125 people. Now, that's not just you, right? Because we're going to show other people how to do this as well. I'm going to show you exactly in this video how to do that, right? But if we got all the way down here to this 10th round, you could be earning $24,414 every single month passively while you sleep, you guys. And this is free Bitcoin every single month. And if you can master this concept, you can really generate a significant amount of money in affiliate marketing. I paid a lot of money to learn how to do this. It took me a very long time. I'm going to show you how to do this in probably less than 10 minutes in this video. So as you can see, as advertised, we're going to try to hit this $250 mark just to get to this 5th round right here. And be aware, you can get all the way down here to this $24,414 very, very easily doing the exact same thing. So this could go well beyond that. So step number 1 is to visit this website by going down to the link in the description of this video. Now, once you arrive here, you're going to want to click right here where it says download. Download the web browser, get used to it, familiarize yourself with it. That way you can speak to it. You understand how it works. It's very, very simple, you guys. It's just like Google Chrome. You don't even know that it's mining Bitcoin in the background 100% for free. But after you've downloaded it, you've tested it out, you're familiar with how it works, you're going to click right here where it says affiliate. and you're going to sign up as an affiliate. That way you get your own personal affiliate link. It's just like the one that you just clicked on down in the description of this video, just like mine. Now, what we're going to do with that affiliate link is we're going to get that in front of thousands and thousands and thousands of eyeballs so that you can generate a significant amount of leads, people downloading this, growing your mining pool so that you can have passive income of free Bitcoin every single month. Now, what we're going to do next to get your affiliate link in front of thousands and thousands of eyeballs so that they can click on that is you're going to create your own YouTube video. Now, don't be afraid, don't be scared, because like I said, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. It's very, very simple, you guys. You can literally copy my video or copy somebody else's video that's doing the exact same thing. Now, the problem that most folks have when they're trying to do this, that a lot of people don't give out the information, right, is how to actually rank your video so you get thousands and thousands of views. This is extremely important because you can create a ton of content on YouTube, but if you don't know how to optimize your video to get it in front of a lot of people, then nobody's ever going to see it. So this information that I'm going to be giving you is priceless, you guys. Like I said, I paid a lot of money. It took me a lot of time to learn how to do this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to come over just to YouTube right here. And now our CryptoTab browser is about earning free Bitcoin, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to type in free Bitcoin into our web browser right here on YouTube, and we're going to see what videos pop up right here. Now, for this example, I'm just going to click on this video at the bottom right here because I know this guy has some good keywords. I've already done some research. These ones at the top, these guys are so big right here that they only put a few keywords, but we're smaller. So we need to learn how to get keywords that are going to perform for us, and we need optimized keywords that don't have a lot of competition. Now, all of this might not make any sense to you if you are brand new to this, so I'm going to make it very simple and show you how to very simply take the keywords from these videos right here that are performing very well, as you can see right here on the first page. So understand one thing, that when you go to search the internet, how many times do you just look at the first 3 or the first 10 things that are on Google or YouTube, right? You really don't make it to the second page most of the time, because the best videos, the best content, or at least in your mind, you think is right there in the top. And so this is what 99% of people do. They come, they search free Bitcoin or whatever information they're looking for, and they only look at like the first 3 or the information that's on the first page. So we need to rank our video so that your video shows up on this first page right here. Now, the way to do this is to have optimized keywords, titles, and to have a good thumbnail. So how do we do this? How are we going to get these keywords? So without doing a bunch of research, we can very simply take the keywords off of one of these videos that is optimized and doing very well. Now, how do we do this? I'm going to click on this video right here just so that you can see exactly how this happens. I'm going to pause this gentleman right here. I think he calls himself Hashoshi. He has a very good video right here. As you can see, he has how many videos? He had 24,209 views right here on this video. This was published April 16th. So he's getting massive amount of views right here on his video. So it's very well optimized. As you can see, all these videos at the top are getting a ton of views, 14,000 views. This guy posted this 2 weeks ago. Freedom Influencer, love this guy right here. Check this guy out, by the way, if you have not seen Freedom Influencer. You guys absolutely changed my life, but shout out to him. But 70,000 views. His has been sitting here for 11 months. And what you understand this, guys, if you can rank a video and you can get it on this page, this is what affiliate marketing is all about. This can absolutely change your sales for whatever it is you're trying to market. So with the strategy that I'm teaching you right now, absolutely can change whatever it is that you're trying to do if you're in sales. Now, what we're gonna do here next is navigate back down to Hashoshi's videos, because I want to show you exactly how to grab the keywords that has optimized his video right here to rank within the top 10 on this first page right here. So we're gonna go back down to his video. I'm gonna click on it. I'm just gonna pause it right here. Now notice this information all on the side right here. What I've downloaded is called vidIQ. Now there's a free plugin that you can download by going to their website, but I want to point you right over here to the side, because this is all the video tags that has optimized his video in conjunction with his title right here. We'll talk about that in just a moment, but you're gonna see all the tags that he has right over here. Now, we can simply just take these tags and not have to do a bunch of keyword research because we know that these are optimized. We know that they work. We know that they get a ton of traffic and they probably have very little competition. That's how he's able to rank this. Is if you can see right here, all these numbers that you see, number 2, number 3, number 1, when you look at these different things, earn Bitcoin, if you type that in, his video ranks number 2. If you type in earn Bitcoin fast, it ranks number 3, and so on. Now, it doesn't matter. All these keywords right here are optimized keywords. Now, once you've downloaded vidIQ, you can very simply click on this paperclip right here. It will copy all of these keywords for you, and you can put this on your video. So how do we do this? You want to come over to vidIQ right here. You want to click right here where it says pricing, and then you want to focus your attention right here where it says get started for free. I'm actually using Boost, you guys, but you can do this 100% for free and see people's keywords and take their keywords and optimize your videos for these high ranking videos. So you click on get started for free, downloaded the extension, the plugin. It's going to look just like what you see over here. It gives you all kinds of analytics on people's videos. You can see, how many people are watching their videos, how many views it's got, what it's, how well optimized it actually is. We won't get into all the analytics right now, but you want to focus your attention right there on those keywords, and you can simply click on the paperclip icon. I don't think you can see it on the screen right now, but it's over here, I promise you guys, and you can copy all those keywords very easily and paste those on your video. Now, the next 2 things that you're going to want to do that are going to be super important is you want to have a great thumbnail and you want to have a great title. Now, you can see right here when you type in free Bitcoin, exactly what pops up. You want to have a thumbnail that competes with these, right? That if people search free Bitcoin, that they're going to see your thumbnail, that they're going to want to click on it more than they're going to want to click on these ones right here. So now you kind of have an example as to what type of thumbnail you have to beat for people to actually want to click on your video. So it has to be of at least equal value, right? You can see here, what you want to do is focus on words that are big, things that are easy to see. When you have little tiny words, stuff like that, it doesn't work out so great. But how do you create a decent thumbnail, and how do you do it for free? Now, the way I started doing this is simply by going to canva.com. You can simply come over here, come to Canva, and when you do this, you'll create your own account, you guys. And once you've created your account, you can simply click on YouTube thumbnail right here. It's going to give you the exact template. There's all kinds of great tools right here that you can click on, all different kinds of photos. If we just type in Bitcoin right here, you can see that it gives us all kinds of great photos, different elements, text, and all kinds of stuff like that, so that we can create a beautiful thumbnail that can compete with those thumbnails that are right there. This is all 100% free to do. This is stuff I did not know how to do in the beginning, and I had to learn how to do, and I want to give that back to you. Now, the other thing that you want to do is you want to have a great title. It has to compete with the titles that you're seeing when you type in free Bitcoin, right? So don't copy somebody else's title, but tweak it, right? Make it your own. Make sure that it stands out. Make sure that it's not clickbait, so that when someone actually clicks on your video, that the information is relevant and it's actually what they're searching for. But you want it to be eye-catching, eye-popping. Just look at the examples that they have right here. 2 free apps to make $100 in free Bitcoin money, right? You want to click on that because you want to know what those apps are. How to get free Bitcoin, 5 different ways. So just try typing in different search phrases and then come up with a very good title for yours as well. You want it to be less than 60 characters too, by the way. Now, if you can do this, recreate a video similar to mine, teaching people exactly what to do and have them go repost their content, you can absolutely generate $24,000 a month in free Bitcoin if you can rank your video on here. Now, the tips that I gave you will absolutely work, and it's invaluable information, my friends. I had to learn how to do this, and I wanted to provide this information to you today so that you could do the exact same thing and start generating free Bitcoin. Now, if you found this video valuable, please make sure that you crush that thumbs up, my friends. That's super important. It helps to grow this channel, and it helps to get this information out to as many folks as possible. And at the end of the day, that's what this channel is all about, giving away pure value and showing you how to make the most money online. I'm coming out with videos every single week, just like the one you're watching right now. So please make sure that you are subscribed. Hit that bell notification so you're notified immediately when I come out with new content. Drop me a comment. Let me know that you were here. Check in with me. I always appreciate all the love that you guys give me. And also, you guys, if you want to know how I've learned to do this and how you can expand on this, because there's much more to know. This was just some of the basics. But if you want to know how to do this, how to create your own online business that creates passive income for you every single month, where you can work from home, stay home with your kids, enjoy your hobbies, get time back on your side, fire your boss and quit your 9 to 5, a real life of true freedom, my friends, and have an online business. And by the way, if you haven't noticed, online businesses are thriving right now. Just look at Amazon. They forced everybody into the information age. Everyone has to have an online presence. If you want to absolutely explode in 2020 and have a real life of freedom, please just check out the #1 recommendation directly in the top of this description. Get started right there. I was in exactly your spot a year ago, trying to learn how to make money online. And I've spent 15 years trying all kinds of different bogus ways, wasting so much time, wasting so much of my money. We could get into my story, but I don't want to spend too much time on that. I just want to save you guys as much time and as much effort as possible. Check that out in the top of the description and absolutely set yourself free and create a life of passive income for yourself. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Peace.